Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We'll take a look at Kali Linux, a powerful operating system favored by ethical hackers and cyber criminals alike, and uncover the tools it houses for exploiting Wi-Fi vulnerabilities. This OS is a treasure trove of hacking utilities, each designed for a specific purpose. Understanding how these attacks are carried out is the first step towards protecting ourselves. By gaining insight into the hacker's toolkit, we can better prepare and defend our networks against potential threats. We'll delve into common hacking techniques such as dictionary attacks and WPA cracking, demystifying the jargon and providing a clear picture of the threats we face. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we know about these methods, the better equipped we are to counteract them. By understanding the tactics employed by hackers, we can better safeguard our own networks and navigate the digital world with greater security and confidence. With the right knowledge and tools, we can turn the tide against cyber threats and protect our digital lives. In the world of cybersecurity, Kali Linux stands out as a powerful and versatile operating system. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux is specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes preloaded with a vast array of tools, making it a one-stop shop for security professionals looking to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems. One of the key features that makes Kali Linux so popular among ethical hackers is its comprehensive suite of tools. From network scanners to password crackers, Kali Linux has it all. These tools allow security researchers to simulate real-world attacks, probing for weaknesses in their own systems and those of their clients. While Kali Linux is a valuable resource for ethical hacking, it's crucial to remember that it can also be used for malicious purposes. In the wrong hands, the tools within Kali Linux can be used to compromise systems, steal data, and disrupt networks. Despite its potential for misuse, Kali Linux remains an essential tool in the fight for cybersecurity. By understanding how to use this powerful operating system, ethical hackers can stay one step ahead of cybercriminals, identifying and patching vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Before attempting to crack a Wi-Fi password, hackers first need to identify a suitable target. This initial step is critical because it sets the stage for the entire hacking process. Without a proper target, all subsequent efforts would be in vain. This reconnaissance phase is crucial as it allows attackers to focus their efforts on networks that are most likely to be vulnerable. By gathering detailed information about potential targets, hackers can prioritize their attacks and increase their chances of success. Hackers employ various techniques to scan for and select potential targets. These techniques range from simple to highly sophisticated, depending on the hacker's skill level and the tools at their disposal. One common method is known as war driving. This involves driving around with a laptop or other device equipped with software that can detect and log Wi-Fi signals. War driving can also be done on foot, using a smartphone or tablet to scan for networks. This method is particularly useful in densely populated urban areas where Wi-Fi signals are abundant. Software like Kismet, available in Kali Linux, can be used to scan for nearby networks and collect information such as signal strength, encryption type, and MAC address. This data helps hackers determine which networks are worth targeting. Another approach is to look for networks with weak or default passwords. These networks are often the easiest to crack, as they require minimal effort and resources. Many routers come with pre-configured SSIDs and passwords, which are often left unchanged by users. This oversight provides an easy entry point for hackers. Hackers can easily exploit these default credentials using readily available lists found online. These lists contain common passwords and default settings for various router models. Public Wi-Fi networks, often found in cafes, airports, and hotels, are also prime targets for attackers. These networks are typically less secure and more accessible to the public. These networks typically have weaker security measures in place, making it easier for hackers to intercept data or gain unauthorized access. Users on these networks are often unaware of the risks, making them easy targets. By understanding the methods hackers use to identify vulnerable networks, individuals and organizations can take steps to strengthen their own security posture. Awareness is the first step towards prevention. This includes changing default passwords, using strong encryption methods, and being cautious when connecting to public Wi-Fi. Taking these precautions can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a victim of a cyber attack. Section 4. Arsenal of the Trade: Tools for Wi-Fi Hacking in Kali Linux. Kali Linux offers an impressive arsenal of tools specifically designed for Wi-Fi hacking. These tools are essential for both cybersecurity professionals and malicious hackers, providing a wide range of functionalities to test and exploit network vulnerabilities. These tools range from simple network scanners to sophisticated password crackers, providing hackers with a comprehensive suite for launching attacks. Network scanners help identify active devices and their IP addresses, while password crackers attempt to break into secured networks by guessing passwords. One such tool is AirCrackNG, a suite of programs for assessing Wi-Fi network security. AirCrackNG is highly versatile, allowing users to monitor, attack, test, and crack Wi-Fi networks. AirCrackNG can be used to capture network packets, launch replay attacks, and crack WEP and WPA/WPA2 keys. By capturing packets, it can analyze the data to find vulnerabilities and exploit them. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a staple in any Wi-Fi hacker's toolkit. Whether you are a penetration tester or a malicious hacker, AirCrackNG provides the necessary tools to achieve your objectives. Another powerful tool is Reaver, designed to exploit a vulnerability in the Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS protocol. WPS is intended to simplify the process of connecting devices to a wireless network, but it has a significant security flaw. Reaver uses a brute force approach to guess the WPS pin, ultimately gaining access to the network. This method can be highly effective, especially if the WPS feature is enabled on the router. This tool highlights the importance of disabling WPS on routers, as it remains a significant security flaw. Many users are unaware of this vulnerability, making their networks easy targets for hackers. Fern Wi-Fi Cracker is a graphical tool that simplifies the process of cracking Wi-Fi passwords. Unlike command line tools, Fern Wi-Fi Cracker offers a user-friendly interface that makes it accessible to beginners. It offers a user-friendly interface and supports various attacks, including WEP, WPA, WPA2 cracking, and WPS pin recovery. This makes it a versatile tool for anyone looking to test the security of their Wi-Fi network. Fern Wi-Fi Cracker is a prime example of how Kali Linux makes powerful hacking tools accessible even to those without extensive technical knowledge. Its ease of use does not compromise its effectiveness, making it a popular choice among both novice and experienced hackers. These are just a few examples of the many Wi-Fi hacking tools available in Kali Linux. The platform offers a wide array of tools, each designed to address different aspects of network security and hacking. The specific tools used in an attack will depend on the target network's configuration and the hacker's skill level. Understanding the capabilities and limitations of each tool is crucial for effectively securing or compromising a network. Section 5. Breaching the Walls: Cracking WEP with Kali Linux. WEP, or Wired Equivalent Privacy, is an older encryption protocol known for its weaknesses. Kali Linux provides the tools to exploit these vulnerabilities and crack WEP keys with relative ease. The process typically begins with putting the wireless network interface card, or WNIC, into monitor mode, allowing it to capture network traffic. Tools like AirCrackNG are then used to capture data packets, specifically targeting those containing the initialization vector, or IV. WEP uses a short IV, making it susceptible to collisions. Once enough packets with the same IV are captured, statistical attacks can be employed to derive the WEP key. AirCrackNG automates this process, simplifying the cracking procedure. Another method involves injecting traffic into the network to generate more IVs for analysis. This can speed up the cracking process significantly. Tools like AirPlayNG, part of the AirCrackNG suite, can be used for packet injection. While WEP was once considered a secure protocol, its vulnerabilities have rendered it obsolete. Modern routers rarely use WEP, and upgrading to more secure protocols like WPA2 is crucial for maintaining network security.